Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izwan bin Mabian. My metric number is 261517. I want to explain about the issue of agronomy on our business. The first one is an awkward posture. Awkward posture. Awkward posture is characterized by an unnatural movement or positioning of the body. When work is performed with awkward posture, muscle cannot operate efficiently, and injury is most likely to occur. Awkward posture may be prevented by altering the workspace, job design, or work practice to conform to the better ergonomic design. Employees should be trained in mitigating procedure and provide with appropriate tool in order to avoid injury resulting from the awkward posture. Repetitive motion. Repetitive motion in the workplace always happen in the job. The worker will do the same job over and over again during work time. Repeated motion tasks also include the execution of repeated movement again and again. It also the replication of several tasks in which the movement for each of the tasks are quite same and similar. Muscle and tissue are involving. It may cause the motion of repetitive injury such as foot, shoulder, elbow, wrist and fingers. The last one is forceful exertion. Forceful exertion, which may occur when these manual tasks are done, occur when a lot of physical effort is needed to do a task. For exertion to be considered forceful, the magnitude of the force must be compared to the maximum capabilities of specific body part exerting the force.
Good day, my name is Kalarsan Analalki Selvakumaran and my metric number is 269826. So the next ergonomics problem is not moving frequently. Researchers suggest that if the body is in static state and not move to the extended period, the worker has higher chance to get muscular pain or injuries. Beyond of it, the worker also might have some other injuries like obesity or diabetes. For this solution, the worker has to get up every 30 minutes. Some research suggests that after 30 minutes of sitting, a person should be get up and move because every 30 minutes significantly not to reduce the risk of suffering the muscular injuries, but also the risk early mortality. Some suggestion to move during the 30 minutes, which is that worker can do doing lap around the office, walking in the water fountain, some went to a printing office or standing at the same place for some time. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aziz Ashraf bin Muhammad Sofi. My metric number is 270020. So today I want to talk about the agroeconomics. So the topics today I want to talk is about the suggestions to improve ergonomics aspect. So the first point is upward posture. Therefore, high-style employers should sit down when they go through a job, such arranging clothes on shelf or even adding clothes stock. This is because will provide comfort to employees in performance tasks, so that their body is not experience serious muscle spasms. In the meantime, they can use the trolley to pick up the stock of the clothes that are in the box. So the second is repetitive motions. When changing a task is not possible, individuals should periodically change the neutral positions in use. For example, in the hairstyles store, employers can change from abstract sitting positions to standing, reclining, sitting, and sitting down. So, the third point is forceful exertions. Therefore, High Style has passed training information to control their employers' ergonomics individual works. High Style training this employer in the lifting parts such as technique to engage their back, shoulder, and so on. So they are training to lift the box using the knee to reduce the risk of more serious injuries. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Siti Nuliana binti Johari and my metric number is 270415, and today I am going to talk about an ergonomics of high-style store. In this topic, we are trying to find if high-style working environment are engineered to the capabilities of human body. There are many types of ergonomic stresses that can be pointed out, which is the personal stressor, force, posture, movement, and the environmental. In this presentation of high-style store, we basically will be focusing on the ergonomics of movement, as we know that high-style is a closed store where they had to provide a service for their customer, as the workers will be standing in the store to be welcoming and assist their customer. So in the movement of ergonomic stresses, we can call it as a static posture. When they had to hold into one position for a long period of the time. Therefore, it can cause and reduce of human blood flow. Also, I want to add some of the contributing factors that caused by standing for a long time, such as an awkward posture. The other ergonomic stresses that they might face is a posture problem, as it was related to the workers' duty to carry all of their a box of stocks. Their posture will be affected by the object shape and size, as they does not learn a proper lifting technique. Therefore, their employer need to teach a proper lifting techniques to prevent more injury in the future. Thank you.
High-style is a clothing store. A quick poster is one of the issues on ergonomic in this store. Especially when new stock arrive, workers need to go to the unloading bay at KB Mall to list the stock while bending down to list the stock box, and then twist to put the stock on trolley. After that, worker will move the stock box and pull the trolley from there to high-style store. Then they continue with moving the box through the elevator or lift because they needed to move the stock box to the upper floor. After arriving at the store, worker needs to move all the stock box to the storeroom and place overhead item on a rack. This movement will cause of back injuries. Suggestion to improve the ergonomic aspect is establish work habit that lower the risk of injury. How the management of high-style should ensure that the employee are trained on proper listing and material handling technical, because every decision made by employee during their work affect their body health, especially back injuries. They should be well educated on ergonomy. Make sure that the work area is ergonomically designed. The layout and organization make it possible for material to be handled without needing to bend, twist, or strip excessively. Compare with competitor, especially when storing material as list below. Thank you. That's all from me.